Okay, so today we are going to see the double column cash book, a quick revision of the double column cash book, and also solve question number 7, which is on page 10.42 of the 2019 edition. Now, the first one, cash in hand is 800, so I'm going to write here because it's a debit balance. So cash in hand will always show a debit balance, so I will write over here on 1st June to balance brought down 800, and we will write over here on 1st June by balance brought down in the bank column 5700. So this is how you will record overdraft. So this, what I've highlighted in yellow, is coming on the credit side because it is an overdraft. The question clearly says that it is a bank overdraft. So bank overdraft will always have a credit balance in the opening balance, whereas cash in hand will never be overdraft. So cash in hand will always come on the debit side. So this was about the opening balance. Now on June 7th you received a check from Bharti. So what will be the entry for this? I'm just going to show it here. And you can see the next entry is deposited the check into the bank. So that means the check was not deposited on the same day in the bank, right? So your entry is going to be on June 7th. Your entry would be check in hand, then you allowed discount, so discount allowed, debit, and this is also debit, to Bharti. Right now, what was your check amount? The check was for 3250. You gave a discount of 150, so that comes to 3400. So is bank or cash coming here? No. But on the next day, that is on 9th June, you deposited this check in the bank. So on 9th June, your entry would be bank account debit to check in hand 3250 and 3250. Right, so here you are going to write on 9th June to check in hand. So let me write the whole thing. Check in hand, how much? 3250 in the bank column. So 3250. And after this, so what we did was we skipped June 7th. It was not recorded because there is no check in there is no cash or bank. But on 9th June, when you deposited the same check in the bank, then you wrote bank account debit to check in hand. So if we receive any check and the question shows or tells you that you deposited that check in the bank on a different date, that is, you received on 7th but you deposited on 9th, so you bring check in hand account, right? Yeah, so this is up till 9th June. Now you received a check from Panna Lal. The question does not say anything that we deposited the check on a different date, but the question tells that you endorsed Panna Lal's check to Kamal. That means this shows that the check that you received from Panna Lal, it was never deposited in bank. So this was not deposited in bank. Why? Because in the next few days, what did you do? You endorsed it to Kamal. So you can only endorse check once you have not deposited in the bank. So here you will skip this because the entry for 15th June is again going to be check in hand to Panna Lal, and the amount will be 1200. So is cash coming in here, bank or cash? No. And are you depositing it in the bank on a later date? No, you are endorsing it. Endorsing a check means as it is giving the check which is in your hand to Kamal. So again, cash and bank are not affected. So you will not record this in the double column cash book, and you will not record this as well. Now the next one is Bharti's check was dishonored. So what you are going to do is on 20th June you are going to write by check in hand account, and you will write 3250. Now why are we, so when a check is returned dishonored, the entry is reversed. So when we deposited the check, this was the entry, and now that the check is dishonored, so the entry is going to be reversed as it is. So you will get the check back in your hand. So in dishonored entry, just reverse your previous entry when you had deposited the check. So on 20th June it's going to be check in hand to bank, right? Because first what happened, when you deposited the check in your bank account, you had debited bank account, right? Because money was deposited in your bank account, but then it was dishonored. So what happened, you have to reverse it. The what money the bank credited goes out and you get the check back. That means the money actually did not get deposited in your bank account because the check was dishonored. So you will write by check in hand to in the bank column. And so June 20th we have seen that it was endorsed to Kamal. So if you want to see the entry for June 28, it would be Kamal to check in hand. So first what happened, you got the check from Pannalal, so check in hand to Pannalal. Yeah, so when you got it, so it was check in hand to Pannalal, and now Kamal, you gave the same check to Kamal. When you gave the check to bank, what did you write here? You wrote bank to check in hand, but right now you didn't deposit it in the bank. This check you gave it to Kamal. So Kamal account debit to check in hand. The last one is June 30th, where you paid income tax. So the entry would be, let me show it over here. When you paid income tax, the entry would be income tax is an expense, so income tax account debit, and you paid it through check, so to bank, right? So you are going to write it over here on 30th June by income tax, right? So this is going to be in the bank column, 150 rupees. Okay, now you have to balance it. So to balance it, you will total your cash column. So the cash column, there is only 800 on the debit side, so the total will be 800, and here you are going to write by balance carried down 800, and the total for cash column this side also now is 800. And if you want to balance this, so this looks like the larger total, so the total here would be 5700 plus 3250 plus 150, so it will be 9100 here. So here if you have 3250, so the balance would become here on 30th June you are going to write to balance carried down 5850, and now the total here is also 9100. So a few points to be noted in this question is, one, that if there is an overdraft in the bank account, it's going to come on the credit side at the opening balance, and discount and check in hand is not recorded. If the question does not say anything when what happened to the check on any of the previous dates, so it is assumed that it is deposited on the same day, so then bank account comes into picture. But here the question says that it was deposited into the bank on the next day or next to next day, so that is why we first wrote check in hand and discount allowed to Bharti, which is not recorded in the double column cash book. And then you have, when you deposited the check in bank, you will record that, but that check got dishonored, so we reversed it. the check which you received from Pannalal, the question says that after on June 28 you endorsed it to Kamal. So again, bank account is not coming here, and then income tax paid. So for this was question number 7.